Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE chemistry video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. This is about covalent bonding. Covalent bonds, sharing electrons. When non-metals atoms bond... Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE chemistry video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. This is about covalent bonding. Covalent bonding, sharing electrons. When non-metals atoms bond together, they share pairs of electrons to make covalent bonds. The positively charged nuclei of the bonded atoms are attracted to the shared pair of electrons by electrostatic forces, making covalent bonds very strong. Atoms can only share electrons in their outer shells, highest energy levels. Each single covalent bond provides one extra shared electron for each atom. Each atom involved generally makes enough covalent bonds to fill up its outer shell. Having a full outer shell gives them the electronic structure of a noble gas, which is very stable. Covalent bonding happens in compounds of nonmetals, for example H2O, and in nonmetal elements, for example Cl2. There are different ways of drawing covalent bonds. You can use dot and cross diagrams to show the bonding in covalent compounds. Electrons drawn in the overlap between the outer orbitals of two atoms are shared between those atoms. Dot and cross diagrams are useful for sharing which atoms the electrons in a covalent bond come from, but they don't share the relative sizes of the atoms or how the atoms are arranged in space. The displace formula of ammonia, NH3, shows a covalent bond as single lines between atoms. This is a great way of showing how atoms are connected in large molecules. However, they don't show the 3D structure of the molecule or which atoms electrons in the covalent bond have come from. The 3D model of ammonia shows the atoms, the covalent bonds, and their arrangement in space next to each other. But 3D models can quickly get confusing for large molecules where there are lots of atoms to include. You can find the molecular formula of a simple molecular compound from any of these diagrams by counting up how many atoms of each element there are. A molecular formula shows how many atoms of each element are in a molecule. For example, a diagram of the molecule ethane is shown on the right. Use the diagram to find the molecular formula of ethane. In the diagram, there are 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So the molecular formula is C2H6. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.